we got a special guest in the building.
Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Churro, and welcome back to another episode of Bodega Eats, where everybody eats, and we live from New York City, guys. And so today, since it's Monday, and since the weather is nice outside, since the weather's hella nice outside, I want to change things up by, instead of making a video that focuses on a crypto project, I want to share with you guys my crypto portfolio on what I am currently investing in for the upcoming bull run this year that is currently happening. And so, this episode is going to be a good one, so make sure to stay tuned. All right, so before I get started, I just want to introduce you guys to Blockfolio. It is a app where you can track all of your coins from variety of different exchanges like Binance, Coinbase Pro, KuCoin. If you guys have KuCoin, you guys could use this app to track everything. And if you guys have a variety of coins stored and across different exchanges, you guys could keep track of all of that in one place. And that is why we have Blockfolio. So that is the app that I use to keep track of everything, because I have a lot of coins all over the place, all over different exchanges, and it's really helpful too. So yeah, the first coin that I have is Ethereum. Ethereum is my big bag, guys. I'm holding about, I think it makes up about 21% of my portfolio, and guys, Ethereum is king. I know there are probably people out there that are saying that Cardano is going to get the upper hand since they're creating smart contracts, but nah, I don't believe that, guys. Ethereum will always be king because everything that has been built in the blockchain space, it always comes back to Ethereum. Like, if you guys go deep into the blockchain space, exploring NFTs, DeFi, tokenized assets, oh man, everything leads back to Ethereum, to the Ethereum blockchain. So at the end of the day, Ethereum is king, guys, and that is why it is about 21% of my holdings. And then we have Anchor. Anchor, I'm holding about, it makes up about 19% of my portfolio. And oh man, I was pretty hyped about this because the other day Anchor popped up to 20 cents, guys. And I've been holding this coin, I think from August, like last year in August. But yeah, it makes up about 19% of my overall portfolio, and that's one of my big bag, guys, the top bag here. And if you guys didn't know, Anchor is a Web3 application platform where you could stake tokens. Well, they have a bunch of coins where you could stake. They have Ethereum, you can stake for Ethereum 2.0 using Anchor. So Anchor is more like a third party for staking and coins. So they have Ethereum, Polkadot, Avalanche, Celo, Cosmos, what else? They have a bunch of other tokens, but yeah, other coins, but it's pretty cool. And I think it's the only platform that does that. So I think that's why it went up. Oh, also because it got listed on Coinbase Pro, which is pretty dope. All right. And so the next coin I want to show you guys that I'm holding on to is Uniswap, right? Uniswap is one of the top exchanges out there. And makes up about 11% of my overall portfolio. And the reason why I'm holding on to Uniswap is because I actually got I think a bunch of Uniswap tokens for free. They did an airdrop for users that used their exchanges last year in October. Was it October? Maybe it was before that, like over the summer. But yeah, so I think Uniswap is one of the top dexes out there, and it's really popular. A lot of people using it, and as well as I think news came in the other day where they announced V3, and oh man, I think that's gonna have a huge positive effect on the price for Uniswap. So I'm gonna keep holding on to this. This is my long-term bags, by the way. So Anchor, Ethereum, Uni, everything that's in my portfolio right now, they're all long-term holds. And so yeah, let's move on to the next one. We got Sia Coin. You guys are probably gonna hate me for this one, but I actually dumped some money into Sia Coin. I think it was last year, in March when everything plummeted, right? I just decided to scoop some up because just to mess around, just to see where if I'll make some gains on it or not. And look where we are right now. I think I got it around half a cent or less than a cent, less than 1 cent, way less than 1 cent. You guys are probably gonna hate me for this because Bitcoin is just one of those coins that pumps randomly, right? But it does have some sort of use case for cloud storage, and I think you could also use like applications on SIA. But yeah, overall, it makes up about 10% of my overall portfolio. And next coin we have is Polk, right? Uh, Polka Markets is a decentralized, a DeFi gaming platform where you could make price predictions on real life events of games, right? Esports, anything that has to do with politics as well, which is pretty cool, right? The platform, it hasn't come out yet. I think expected to come out I think later this month, by the end of March or the beginning of April. So yeah, I just decided to invest in Polk because I want to diversify in different ecosystems. So as you guys can see, I have invested in the DeFi ecosystem, right? The altcoin ecosystem, of course, Ethereum, and then we got the Polkadot ecosystem, which is, I think it's really big right now, especially because Ethereum 2.0 not coming out yet, and the current issues that Ethereum blockchain has or it's currently facing right now with transaction fees and all those problems, the gas fee problems, basically. But yeah, that's why I just wanted to take a dip into the Polkadot ecosystem because a lot of people are saying that have a huge it'll be a huge benefit for the crypto blockchain community. And I like the gamification aspect too because it includes DeFi, NFTs, and Polkadot. So it's just all that combined, which is pretty sick, which is why I've chosen Polk. And next we got Verge, right? XVG makes up about 7% of my portfolio, and you guys are probably gonna hate me for this as well because like Sia Coin, like it's just there, right? It's just there. But yeah, there's a background story to XVG. Why I have XVG though, and it's because it was one of the first coins I bought back in 2017 before the Bitcoin bull run. So I'm just holding on to it. I've been holding on to it for a while. I didn't even cash out on it back in 2017, so I've just been holding on to it ever since, and just waiting to see if it does anything or not. And so that yeah, this just there makes up about 7% of my portfolio, and yeah, it's pretty cool. And before I forget to tell y'all, I want to let y'all know that outside of Blockfolio, I'm also holding on to some WAN chain, and as well as Wasp, which is a part of the WAN chain ecosystem, which is pretty dope. They're both a big player in the DeFi space, and you guys should definitely check them out. Great project. They have a great support group called the Wandalorians. Fire, great people, and yeah, I just want y'all to know that. And overall, the only reason why I made this video is to keep things transparent with you guys and to show you guys what coins that I'm invested into. And so maybe it'll give you guys an idea of what coins to look into that may do really well during this year's bull run. And so, with that being said, thank you guys for watching this episode, and I will see you guys on the next episode of Bodega Eats, where everybody eats, and peace from the beast.